Just got the Wuque gray tactiles today. These are tactile silent switches. You can see the switch just here. I'll put a cap on it. These are incredibly scratchy. I got these because I'd heard that Wuques were really well lubed. I don't think these have ever seen a drop of lube. So I've got the Wuques here, 3 rows of them here. I've got some tactiles here, some Gateron tactiles and some Gateron linears, different linears here. If I just try the Wuque versus this is the Gateron root beers and Gateron oil kings. So all of the linears are really smooth, all Gateron linears, all of the Gateron tactiles. You're not hearing too much of the movement of the switch, but the Wuques, you can just really feel that scratch in them. And I'll just compare kind of these 3 again, Oil Kings, Root Beer, and then the Wuques. Not bottoming them out. They're just so scratchy. I don't think that I can use these. They're pretty quiet, bottoming out. That's nice, but they're so scratchy. I hope you can hear that. I don't think that I can use these. I'll probably need to return them.